Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at how you can find out a particular coin that will pump either on Bybit and also looking at it from the coin market cap. So follow me from the beginning of this video to the end so that by the end of this very video you'll be able to find out how you can actually get a coin that will go times 10 or times 100 for you. So do not forget, make sure you have some USDT in your wallet and do not forget to like and share. Let's dive into that. Now here we are on Bybit. So we're actually here on Bybit. The next thing that we just need to look at is to navigate yourself to this place. That's it. Okay, navigate yourself to this place. You can see this hot session. Okay, you can also see new. All right, so one of those places you can quickly find out those cryptocurrency coin that will pump in its own time is in hot sessions on Bybit and also in new sessions. Sometimes they are found also in gainers sections. Okay, they're found also in gainers sections. So let's look at this hot section. Okay, on hot section you're going to target on those particular cryptocurrency coin that have fire sign. That is one. Okay, you're going to target also some of those crypto coins that have 10 leverage. Let's say this one. Okay, so what we have here now is one, we have Doge, we have MNT, we have Pepecoin, we have BTC. Okay, so these are what we have currently here. All right, and also if you also scroll up, you're going to see some of these coins as well that are still also having this 10 leverage. You can see SOO as well. So if you click on more here, there might still a lot of them over there. All right, so some of these coins, the moment you click at them, you see that they are full of opportunity. Okay, they are full of opportunity, that is beneath ups and down. In my next class, I'm going to drop you a video on how to read candle, right? How to read a previous candle to trade a current trade. Okay, we were going to use like yesterday candles movement to trade crypto coins today and make profit based on yesterday movement of the candle. All right, so let's continue. So if you look at this, you see that you realize that they are actually full of opportunity. All you just need to do is to monitor them carefully or even dive into them blindly. And you're going to see that there's something reasonable coming out for you. But all you just need to do is to be patient. Okay, be patient and you see that something reasonable will actually come out of those coins, right? Okay, looking at the others, maybe we should look at the peppercoin. You can see also the peppercoin is also still full of opportunity. And one of the things you must know is that it depends on when and at what rate you buy them. Okay, it depends on when and also at what rate you purchase them. All right, so the next class that we're going to use look at the previous candle. Using those previous candle, you'll be able to know when to buy and also when to go out of the trade. Okay, so if you go to the new session, it's still the same thing. So in the new session, there are a lot of those coins that are recently listed. Okay, and after taking some few movement for some times, they're going to move to downwards for recession. That is, sometimes they go a long time bearish for recession. Sorry, a long time bearish, yes, for recession. So after the long time bearish for recessions, you're going to see that they will come back full strength, and on that you're going to make your profit, and you'll see how exactly it will be for you. All right, so look at this, all these new sessions. You see, look at 2Z. Okay, look at all those new sessions. You actually see what exactly you need to do. Okay, and sometimes by the time you make your choice of a particular cryptocurrency coin from here, if you make your choice, all you just need to do is to go straight to market cap so that you can actually check. Okay, so that you can actually check what to do or look at its market cap and what have you. Let's assume that we made a choice of BTC over there. We're going to come to this place to look at the market cap. Okay, the market cap, the current price. Okay, the market cap, the current price is 24 hours movement is day, and the 30 days. 90 days if possible, you can take a look at all those things. Okay, now come to this place to look at its low and its high. Coming here, you can look at also the total market cap, which was roughly over 2.2 billion. Okay, the moment you take a look at all of this, you can now see that the market also is actually bearish for now. A lot of people are investing in this particular cryptocurrency coin. There is no doubt about that. Okay, there's no doubt about that. So all you just need to do is that each time you make a choice of a particular coin, you can come to this place and also look at it carefully to see what exactly is going on it. You can also look at this place to look at the top 10, the top 100 of this particular cryptocurrency coin. Okay, you can always check about the top 100 so that you will not always buy outside the top 100. Okay, look at those top 100. The BNBs are there, SOL, TRX are there, Dodge and ADA, and a lot of them are there. You can look at also Hype, they are also here. Okay, but if you look at on each coin, you make a choice of it here. You can come to this place all to look at its market caps. Is it bearish? Is it bullish? What exactly is the nature of the market for now? Okay, you can also come to this place to look at some of those updates from the traders. Okay, from the traders and lots more of them. All right, so if you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. And meanwhile, there's this our new YouTube channel. I'm going to drop the link at the descriptive section of this very video and also at the comment section. All you just need to do is to subscribe, because in that place we will be telling you exactly coin you can buy. Okay, exactly coin you can invest on and make profit. We're going to drop some of those top cryptocurrency coin you can invest on and also make profit for the week. Okay, so without waste of time, we'll drop those link and do well to subscribe to this channel and also like any of this very video and as well share, because a lot of people are looking for content of this value. Okay, so now I will look at Peppercoin. You know why? Because I invested in the Peppercoin as well, and I would like to know what exactly is up with the Peppercoin. Peppercoin is currently ranking 36 in the whole cryptocurrency industry. You can see this is a good record, right? Okay, I'm going to look at this Peppercoin. I've clicked this particular Peppercoin and I've seen that it still also have 0.50713. Okay, but it has a very good sign of pumping. Okay, you can see its market cap is over 3 billion. That's a very reasonable one. Look at here, its market cap is over 3 billion. It's 3 billion. Its unlocked capital is also 3 billion. Okay, you can see its volumes, you can see this as well, and lots more of them. Yeah, this actually give me peace of mind looking at this. And it's over 80% bearish. You can see it's a good thing to know that it's over 80% bearish. Sorry, it's over 80% bullish. Okay, it's over 80% bullish and just 13% bearish. This is to tell you that this particular coin will soon triumph. It will soon pump. Okay, like it will soon go higher. All right, so looking at all of this, you realize that yes, you have gathered a lot of information that will now allow you to buy a particular cryptocurrency coin and also make a huge rational profit for yourself. Let's look at some of those newscasters and also posters on CoinMarketCap are saying is a completing Elliott wave structure. Pepe has been a long-term downtrend, and the chart is currently showing the completion of an Elliott wave corrections pattern, with the price nearing the major demand zone. We could be looking at what? or could we be looking at a potential reversal to the upside? You can see there is actually a potential reversal now to the upside. That's a very good one. So that is actually what we're hoping for. Looking at all of this guy key support zone and the others is very amazing. So we're going to look at this. At least we are hoping for a very big movement. You can see this is what they're targeting at here. That is, it's going to take away two zeros and give us 0.301. You can see. Then if you are holding this particular coin and it gets to this volume, you're going to make something rational. Like you make a reasonable profit. So what exactly are you waiting for? Dive into it, start trading it, but make sure you watch it to your own taste. Then you can trade it for profit. Okay, so before I go, I'll still remind you to like this video, subscribe if this is your first time, and also share the videos because of a lot of people are looking for content of this value. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.